If you've been looking for a powerful free AI video generator that can create long videos without a watermark, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Every video you're seeing on screen was made with this tool. I didn't spend a single dollar, and there's no premium subscription involved. These days, most AI video generators either don't offer a free plan at all or lock you behind some pretty strict limits. After digging around and testing a bunch of different options, I came across a brand new AI video generator that's currently available completely free. It includes features like text-to-video, image-to-video, video style transfers, and even virtual character creation. No idea how long this free access will last though, so I definitely recommend trying it before anything changes. I'll also show you 2 ways to download your videos without a watermark at the end of this tutorial. So stick around until the very end. I'm Iman, and welcome to Iman Global. If you've been creating videos with Meta AI before, you've probably noticed that the video section is gone. The good news is Meta has moved that feature over to its new platform called Vibes. And in this tutorial you'll learn exactly how to use it step by step. A few important things are worth knowing before we jump in. Without them, the website might not even open for you, some generations could fail, or your account access might get limited. Every one of those issues has a simple fix, and I'll cover all of them before we're done. First, let's head over to the platform. I'll leave the access link both at the end of this video and down in the description. In the bottom left corner, click Sign In. You can create an account using Facebook, Instagram, or email. There's no direct Google sign-in button, but here's a quick workaround. I'll choose email sign-in for this tutorial and enter my Gmail address here. Complete the registration process, grab the verification code sent to your inbox, and that's it. Welcome to Meta's new AI platform. Getting started with a new project. Giving the project a name, and we're inside the workspace. The first feature we're testing is image to video, turning a single still image into a fully animated horizontal video. Down below, activate the video option. Next, open start and end frame. This section gives you 2 upload slots for the beginning and ending frames of your video. Once those frames are defined, the AI generates everything in between and creates the motion based on that path. For this example, we're only using a start frame. Opening the upload window. Dragging a still character image from my hard drive into the upload box. Choosing the image, then clicking Add to Video. The thumbnail appears inside the prompt box. All that's left is describing the motion or action you want the AI to create. Before generating, open Advanced and make sure the resolution is set to 720p. It defaults to 480p. After that, hit Generate. A short processing phase begins, creating 4 different versions. 3 finish successfully, while 1 comes back as a failed generation, so I'll delete that one. Time to check the results. There's a download button in the upper right corner of each video, but those files include a watermark. I'll show you the watermark-free download method later in this tutorial. Let's build another example just to prove the free plan isn't limiting us. If you don't already have an image to animate, no worries. You can generate one using tools like PicLumen, Leonardo, ChatGPT, or Gemini. I'll use PicLumen for this example. There's already a full tutorial for it on my channel. Open Image from the menu on the left. Choosing PicLumen Art V1 as the image model. Enter your image idea in the prompt box. Aspect ratio goes to 16:9 for a horizontal image. Generate is next. After a brief wait, the image is ready. You can save it directly to your computer. Creating images with ChatGPT is even easier. Open ChatGPT. Click the plus button and choose Create Image. Type your image prompt into the prompt box. Just remember to include a 16:9 aspect ratio at the end of your prompt if you want a horizontal image. Generate the image. A few moments later, it's ready to download. Once your image is prepared, we're ready to animate it. Back in the prompt box, switch to video. Opening start and end frame. Selecting Add Start Frame. Uploading the image from my hard drive with drag and drop. Choosing it, then clicking Add to Video. The thumbnail appears inside the prompt box. There's another really cool option hiding here. Click the uploaded image anywhere in the workspace instead of the prompt box. A new panel opens with a feature called Auto Animate. Selecting that. No prompt is needed this time. The AI automatically decides how the image should move and transforms your still image into an animated video. Even though the generated clips are only 5 seconds long, extending them is incredibly easy. Selecting the video inside the prompt box. Opening start and end frame again. Choosing start frame. Uploading a robot image from my hard drive using drag and drop. Selecting it and adding it to the video. The thumbnail appears inside the prompt area. My animation idea goes into the prompt box. Under Advanced, make sure the resolution stays at 720p. Generate starts the process. After another short wait, 4 videos are ready. Take a look at these results. The image to video animation looks fantastic, and the robot's movement feels very natural. The only limitation is the 5-second duration. Notice the 2 extend options on the right side. Choosing manual extend opens a new window where you can describe how you'd like the animation to continue, extending the clip to 9 seconds. Auto extend lets the AI continue the motion automatically. I'll use auto extend. Just a moment later, the extended version is ready. Watch this. The video grows from 5 seconds to 9 seconds, and the motion stays perfectly natural, as if it had always been a 9-second clip. You can even repeat the same process again to extend it further. That's an easy way to create much longer videos with this AI. Next up is one of the platform's biggest features, text-to-video. Let's see what it can create from nothing but a prompt. At the moment, this mode only supports vertical videos designed for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and other mobile platforms. Horizontal text-to-video isn't available yet, although there's a good chance that changes in a future update. Switching to video in the prompt box. Pasting a prompt I've already prepared. Opening Advanced. Resolution should be set to 720p. Generate starts the job. A few moments later, 4 vertical 9:16 videos are ready. Check these out. The AI followed my prompt really well. My idea was a Lamborghini driving along a mountain road, and the result turned out surprisingly close to what I had in mind. The clip lasts 5 seconds. Auto extend takes it to 9 seconds with another quick render. As you've seen, Vibes from Meta lets me create both horizontal and vertical AI videos completely free. At the time I'm recording this tutorial, August 2026, the platform is fully usable without any premium subscription. Another feature that really stands out is the built-in video style library. I'll show you how it works. Switching back to video. Pasting the same prompt again. Opening ingredients, then selecting style. Choosing library gives access to the complete collection of styles. Every style includes a preview before you apply it. These styles completely transform the look of your video, from vintage and sketch to anime, line art, and dozens of other creative options, all with a single click. You can even combine 2 styles together to create something unique. For this example, I'm choosing vintage sepia daguerreotype portrait. Selecting add to prompt. Opening Advanced. Resolution stays at 720p. Generate begins the render. A few moments later, 4 vertical videos are finished. Take a look. The text-to-video generation followed my prompt nicely, and every video has been transformed into that sepia look. Running the exact same prompt again, but this time switching the style to detailed monochrome pen and ink. Using the same workflow and settings, 4 new monochrome videos are ready. One more test. This time the style is wide-angle vibrant anime style, following the exact same steps as before. The result looks fantastic. The text-to-video output has been transformed into a beautiful anime style, and that's how easy it is to change the visual style of your videos inside Vibes. When you're ready to download your vertical or horizontal videos without a watermark, there are 2 methods, and one of them should definitely work for you. The first method starts from the project page, where all of your generated videos are listed. Right-click the video you want, then choose Open Video in New tab. The video opens inside a built-in player. Click the 3-dot menu, and you'll find the download option there. That version downloads without a watermark. The second method starts from the page where your generated video is already playing. Right-click beside the video frame and choose Inspect. Make sure the video element itself is highlighted, showing that it's selected in the developer tools. Scroll a little inside the panel on the right until you find the direct video link. Right-click that link, choose Open in New tab, then use the 3-dot menu again to download the watermark-free version. Before wrapping up, there are 3 important things that make some users think this AI video generator is broken or isn't actually free, even though the fixes are very simple. The first one is availability. The platform isn't accessible in every country or region. If you see the message, "Not available in your country yet," it doesn't mean the service is down. It simply means you'll need to try again from a different location. The second issue is server traffic. During busy hours, some generations may fail because the servers are overloaded. Most of the time, submitting the generate request again solves the problem. The last one involves Meta's content policies. Certain words or topics may trigger the safety filters, preventing the video from being generated. There's one last thing I promised to show you. The platform is called Vibes, and you can see its web address on the screen right now. Overall, my experience with Vibes has been extremely positive. And don't think that's everything this platform can do. Future videos are going to cover even more powerful features hidden inside Vibes. If you made it all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.